This is part 2, the second video of object number 5 of problem set number 1. I've replicated the object and all the dimensions to this point, 0.063. Now I'm going to focus on getting these dimensions, and all these dimensions refer to the height difference between horizontal lines. And if you need to zoom in to see it, by all means do. So I'm going to start here with this 100, work my way over here, and then I should be fully constrained at that point if I've gotten everything correct. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, the first horizontal dimension is actually that 0.063, which I've already put in here. It is the distance between this line and this line. So now this 100 is the next dimension, so it's between this line and this line. And it's always a good idea to put it in the same place. Put it down here. And I'm just going to keep working my way over. $600. Before I put that one in, let's get this back in the right area. Okay. If I had put that 0.28, I'd put this dimension in, it was going to make it essentially on the wrong side of this line. So before I put that in rather than after, because it won't let me drag this down after, drag it down back to Earth, and then put that dimension in. See where we're at with this sketch. That was it. This sketch is now fully constrained. So now if I had done that on the wrong side, I could have just selected that dimension, deleted it, dragged it back to where it needed to be, and then put that dimension back in. It's just from my experience, I know that I needed to do that first. Now it's always a good idea to come back and reorganize all your dimensions to get them in the right place. Like this guy way down here, bring that guy back up. The more organized you are, the easier it is to find whatever problem you're having that is inhibiting you finishing the way you want to. Sometimes, for whatever reason, a dimension will be way off in left field, and it's a good idea just to bring that in so that everything is viewable in the same screen. Let's go ahead and extrude this now. Now, this looks like the front to me, so I'm going to extrude backwards, and that is 1.25 inches. So I'm going to go minus 1.25. I always like to tilt to make sure it's doing what I want it to do. It looks good. Go to the home button, collapse my sketches, and that's exactly the same object in both planes. That's what we want to see.